Wake up, rush, work, scroll, crash, repeat. If this sounds like your day, your nervous system is on autopilot. It just feels like the same grind every single day. And that, unfortunately, leads straight to burnout. I'm Dr. Gretchen Gavero, psychiatrist and mental health educator, and I've learned the hard way too, that your routine isn't just a schedule. It's telling you everything about your mental health. Your daily rhythm rewires your brain. A few small shifts can completely change how you think, feel, and show up. I've been helping people take care of their mental health for at least 12 years, from simple emotional challenges to severe conditions. I want people to feel strong and confident in living their lives. I work with many ambitious, successful people wearing so many hats and doing so many great things. Here's what I see all the time. Mornings start in panic mode. Meals get skipped. Meetings run back to back. Evenings are mostly Netflix marathon. And I hear you, I'm in that mode too. I do that too. And then bedtime, endless doom scrolling. But do you know that when your mornings are rushed, cortisol spikes way higher than it should? Skip your breaks and that adrenaline stays revved. Doom scroll before bed, your melatonin drops. Your nervous system isn't just busy, it's distressed. Let's break down what's actually happening in your body when you're stuck in this busy routine. There are a few important signals in your brain and body that play a big role in how you feel every day. Number 1, cortisol. All right. So cortisol, they call it the stress hormone. Think of it like your phone's notification system. When something's happening, you're running late, your boss sends that email, you can't find your keys, your body's hitting that cortisol button. A little cortisol actually helps you. It gets you up, gets you moving in the morning. But here's what happens. If you've got notifications on for every single app, your phone never stops. Emails buzzing, social media's pinging. That random game you downloaded months ago, your weather app telling you it might rain, it's just nonstop. Eventually, you're like, I'm done with this phone. That's your body on too much cortisol, always buzzing, never getting a break. And just like you can turn off those notifications on your phone, you have more control over your stress response than you think you do. Okay, number 2, adrenaline. That's another stress chemical. It gives you that burst of energy when you're scared or excited. You see a snake, you're running to catch the buzz, that's adrenaline kicking in. But if you're always busy, skipping your breaks, feeling rushed all the time, your body keeps making it, and now you're feeling jumpy, anxious, like you can't relax even when you actually want to. Number 3, dopamine. That's your feel-good chemical. Your brain releases it when you do something fun. You eat your favorite food, you win a game, you get that sweet text from a friend. Dopamine kicks in. But here's what's happening. Things like endless scrolling on your phone or binge watching Netflix, they're tricking your brain into wanting more and more dopamine. And over time, it gets harder to feel happy from the simple stuff. Now you're feeling bored, restless, like nothing's really doing it for you anymore. Number 4, melatonin. That's your sleep hormone. Your brain makes it when it gets dark, helps you feel sleepy at night. But here's what happens. You're scrolling on your phone before bed, watching TV on your laptop, all that bright light. It's stopping your brain from making enough melatonin. So now it's harder to fall asleep and you're waking up feeling tired even though you were in bed for hours. So when your day is full of rushing around, skipping meals, staring at screens all day, these chemicals get out of whack. And that's why you're feeling stressed, tired, or just off, like you're not yourself. Here's the thing though, you have more control than you think you do. Again, even small changes in your routine can help your brain and body feel better. I used to have chaotic mornings. I have 2 kids, one's just starting elementary, one's a budding adolescent. Some mornings, it's rush everyone out the door. Grab coffee on the run. But the real problem, I was checking work emails the second I opened my eyes, getting text notifications from work at 5 a.m. Those habits shot my cortisol through the roof and put me in reactive mode before I could even brush my teeth. I felt behind before the day even started. When I finally stopped checking emails before 8 a.m. and turned off those notifications when I'm not on call, everything shifted. More patience with my kids, better focus with my patients, energy left for myself. That one shift completely changed my mornings. All right, you can try this. 1, write out your day from wake up to bedtime. Then circle what drains you. And number 3, start what gives you energy. Don't overhaul your whole life. Just pick one drain to shift this week. Maybe it's grabbing your phone first thing, working through lunch, staying up scrolling. Just shift one thing. Every day is a reset. You don't need to wait for January 1st. Okay, what's one thing you're shifting in your routine this week? Drop it in the comments and subscribe if you want to keep leveling up your mental health habits.